Clock. Hands of the clock. Move the hands separately or link their movement. Exercises. Set the hands of the clock to match the time shown on the digital clock and vice versa. Settings. Customize the clock face.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the clock app. Learn how to move the hands of the clock, find out what kind of exercises are available, and how to insert exercises into mozaBook. In order to set the time, simply move the hands of the clock. Click on the rotation axis of the hands. Now, the movement of the minute and the hour hand are linked together. Click on this arrow to change the digital clock so that it corresponds with the time shown on the analog clock. Click on the bottom or top halves of the numbers on the digital clock to change them. Click on this arrow to change the analog clock so that it corresponds with the time shown on the digital clock. If you wish to start the clock from the time you have set, click here. In order to start the clock from the current time, click here. If you wish to customize the clock face, click on this icon. Drag and drop the clock face to insert into mozaBook. Click here to choose from the available exercise types. Click here in order to check whether your solution is correct or not. These exercises can be inserted into the test editor by simply clicking on their icon. In order to be able to edit the exercise, first you have to enter edit mode. To insert the exercise into mozaBook, choose one of the following options. Choose whether you wish to insert the exercise as a small or a large icon or as a picture. Visit our website for further information about our apps.